Hey YouTube, what's happening? A couple days ago I bought an RX 6800 and I was thinking, what should I do with my old 5600 XT? And then I thought maybe I can use it to encode videos on Streamlabs and record. And I spent a long time looking online trying to figure out how to do this and didn't come up with very many results. So I'm going to show you now how to do it. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so you pull up your task manager, go to performance. You can see I have the 6800 here and the 5600 XT here. You go into Streamlabs, and all the videos I watched said to go into settings, output, have the encoder as your hardware, and then down here, there were options for them to select which GPU to use. Well, as you can see, I don't have that option. So here's what I had to do. You're going to want to right-click your desktop, go to Display Settings. Let me drag this over for you. This is the monitor I'm using. I don't think it matters, but scroll down, go to Graphics. Now, my Streamlabs didn't show up here automatically. I had to browse for it and find it. But once you find it, you will click on it, hit Options, and then what I had to do was hit Specific GPU. See, there's my 6800, my 5600 XT. So you just select that, click Save, and then restart Streamlabs, and it should be there. Again, if you go to the task manager, it shows me using 15% of my 5600 XT, and that is solely being used to record this video and stream and encode video. So I hope that helped you. It sure took me a long time. I wish somebody else had made a video, but if this helps you at all, please click the like, maybe subscribe, you know, the usual stuff. Thank you as always, and until the next one, have a good one.